Hello everyone, welcome to Spin Size Bootcamp series on Google Dialogflow. So far we have configured CVA on Spark and on CVP. Now let's configure CVA on CVP Call Studio application. To do that, let's go to our remote workstation and RDP to our CVP server. On CVP server, we have our Call Studio application. Double click on it and you will be able to see this uh, the workspace for the application. So for learning purposes, we are going to use this Cumulus DF app, and we are going to click on the app called Flow, and then click on the Dialogflow button here, and then you will be able to see the settings associated with it here. So we have to add the name of the agent that we have just created, the name of the project ID we have just created, to the setting, to the service account ID under the settings. So let's go ahead and get our project ID. Now copy paste that here and you should be good to go. So before testing this and before seeing if it's working or not, let's just try to understand what is going to happen here, and so what will happen as soon as the caller calls in and start interacting with our application. So what is going to here is a call will come in and it will hit our application, and once the call comes in, the Google Dialogflow will start processing the voice input. So well, if I'm a customer and I am calling and I start asking questions as to, hello, can you help me book a flight? So it will start processing my voice input, and it will continue to converse with me, because this is basically a bot that is embedded on our website. And so once a call comes in, bot starts chatting with the customer, and it starts identifying the intents, why they're calling, based on the intents defined under the agent in the Google Dialogflow, and it then processes them and it relays back the information and it speaks back to us using the TTS services we just configured. So, and for every time I ask something, the flow will continue to loop here. So the flow is going to through this decision element check that is the customer done talking. Do they have the needed information they wanted, or are they still wanting more and more information and are interested in continuing the conversation with the bot? So this decision element is going to decide if the conversation is complete or incomplete. If it's completed, the required stored information will be sent to ICM for further reporting purposes, and if not, the loop will continue. So in case of the agent, in case the call is transferred to an agent, or the customer decides that they are done with the call and decide to hang up, this call will be routed to CVP, and all the controls will be passed to CVP for other queuing, or if they want to go to an agent for the transferring purposes. So this is about for this video. In the next video we will learn how to test this application. Thank you.